bitch, I wanna party like Chris Farley.
All right, so here we are. Oh, it's a little bit too bright for you. Anyways, beautiful day. Thank you guys for joining me on this beautiful, I don't know what day of the week it is, but probably the nicest day that we've had so far all throughout the year. But I got work to do on the car and some stuff to unbox for you guys. But first, let's get the hood open. And I've got something to do under this hood that I don't know if I'm gonna record. You guys have asked me a bunch of stuff about this hood and how I manage water and rain. All right, so here we are, a bunch of questions about this hood and how I manage water when it rains. Oh, that's tightening. Well, these are actually removable rain guards that I put on during the rainy season, which is about 8 months out of the year here in Washington State. But you know what? It's getting close to summertime. Is it summertime yet? I don't even know. But it's about that time where rain is gonna stop for a few months, and I'm gonna take these rain guards off in order to help vent some of this engine heat out a little bit better than with these rain guards on. So this should help with that. All right, and there it is, the removable rain guards. There you go. It's optional. You can run them if you want to or not. And also, when I usually do this, I just stick the bolts back in so I don't lose them. So, and then when it rains, I can just stick it back in. Literally takes me about, I don't know, 90 seconds to do this. So for those that are wondering, how do I deal with rain seeping into the engine bay when it rains? There you go, removable rain guards on this VIS carbon fiber hood. Okay, with the rain guards removed, right now I'm trying to find a solution to block off air coming in from the hood scoop to help with that heat extraction, whatever you call it, because this causes turbulence all up in the engine bay, which prevents heat from actually escaping from the extraction vents. So I know for the stock hood, Wrx Engineering has a new block off plate, but obviously this is an oversized hood scoop, which doesn't really help my case and will not fit. So it's about, I don't know, about a ½ inch bigger than the OEM hood scoop. But I don't know if I can build or make my own block off plate right there. That would probably help. Since I do not have a top mount intercooler, I have a front mount, obviously. So in order to help me with these temperatures or engine bay temperatures, in case I go to the racetrack sometimes, that will definitely help. It also has heat extractors in the back also. I don't know if you can see that because of the bad lighting right now, but there you go. Like I said, when I come to a stop, you can really see the heat just rise out of these vents on a very hot day. It's actually a pretty cool thing to see. But yeah, just want to maximize the efficiency of the heat extractors by blocking off the hood scoop. Huh, oops, what the hell is this? You're doing? All these parts I've been waiting to unbox, and I've been waiting to do it on camera for you guys because you guys say you guys want to see unboxing videos. This part just came in. I can't believe I almost forgot about this box, but we'll put this right here. Let's see, first one right here. Check this out. Since we have this here, oh God, Jesus Christ, it's 80 degrees out here and I'm still wearing a sweater. This is from iDoing. I think this came from China. This had an outer covering or was covered in paper. And I think I know what this is. This is something I've been waiting on. This is an Android head unit, which, I don't know, they sent it out to me, but I don't know if I'm going to install this on the car, to be honest with you. I'm quite happy with the stock head unit. It's the speakers in the stock OEM system that I'm not happy with. But yeah, here is an, oh crap, something came out. I don't know what this part is. But yeah, fresh out of the box, the iDoing head unit. Let's take a look. There it is. Oh, it's nice and flat black. I don't know, what do you guys think? Should I keep the OEM head unit or go with this aftermarket iDoing head unit? See, the 19s and up already have Apple CarPlay, which is mainly what I use in the car, but will this be better than the OEM system when it comes to Apple CarPlay? I think it'll be about the same, but what about sound quality? Do you think this will sound better than the OEM unit? I don't know, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. All right, next up, okay, small box from Obsessed Garage. What did I order from Obsessed Garage? Oh, by the way, so I am now an affiliate for Obsessed Garage. So if you guys are feeling generous and you want to help support the channel in any way, shape, or form, use my affiliate link down below. I am now an affiliate for Obsessed Garage, and anything that you buy, I get a small kickback. I think it's like a 5% kickback. It's really not much. It doesn't cost you anything. Oh, I'll hide my address. But it doesn't cost you anything. All you gotta do is use my link, and I get a small kickback. No cost to you, of course. Oh, okay, I know what this is. I think this is the skin wedge tool. So this is like the little pry tool, which is actually replaces those plastic ones that everyone has from Amazon. So this is supposed to be what Matt calls it, an extension of your thumbnail. So if you want to take out some trim pieces and all that stuff, yes, there you go. It's like 12 bucks or something. So a nice metal piece, probably the last one you'll ever buy if you don't lose it. So you want to take out trim pieces, there you go, just like that. Nice and beefy too, like this. Small stuff, oh, really, not too exciting. Since I'm putting in a new engine, might as well put in new spark plugs. These are One Step Colder spark plugs. That is the part number if you guys are interested, or if you're in need of new spark plugs, there it is. That's what I will be using. I got this on Amazon, really cheap. I'll put the link down in the description below. Let's see up next. So this is, oh yes, this is the Cobb 4-bar map sensor. So I think this is the adapter for the map sensor. I'm trying to cut this. I'm gonna try to keep this as quick as possible because I'm probably losing, I probably lost like half of you guys when I said unboxing. What else? We have some hardware, some Loctite, and there you go. How this connects, I don't know. We'll figure that out when we get there. All right, so this one is from iWire. So this is the MAF speed density adapter. So there you go. Obviously, I just told you guys I'm going speed density. And what is this part? So this part, oh, this is the air temperature kit. I think it's needed. There you go. I think that's all it is right there. So I don't know. It feels like I'm missing something. There you go. Parts from iWire to go speed density. This here. Oh, actually, yeah, I ordered this directly from iWire. So if you're looking for that, just check out their website. I'll have a link in the description below for all of this stuff. All right, next up, coming from Radium Engineering. Nicely packaged, of course, from Radium Engineering. I think we're gonna consolidate. We don't need this big box anymore. We're gonna get rid of that. What do we have here? So this is the wiring kit for the fuel pump. So when you guys order it, you guys will know what to expect. There you go, just a bunch of wires. There you go. And I don't even know where to start when it comes to wiring this. Oh, it has these little solder connector, butt connectors. So I think you just heat those up and the solder just melts the wires together. It's actually pretty cool. So there you go, wiring kit for the fuel pump. So as far as the fuel pump goes, I will be eventually going with the dual fuel pump kit from Radium. But as of now, Bader did a nice cool trick and he installed a GOPRO 450 in a modified OEM hanger. So that's gonna be interesting. Not many people run the GOPRO 450, you know, in these cars that way. So yeah, once we get started with the project, we'll see how he does it. I don't think he's gonna wanna reveal a secret on how he does it, but we'll see. If he doesn't, then I won't say nothing. All right, next up is coming from Killer B. So I got this from, I think from Import Image Racing or so. Got here in like 2 business days, so you can't really complain about that. So, and another Killer B product. So if you guys have these products, you probably already know what this is, but I'm gonna unbox this anyways. A lot of you guys already have this. But like I said, since I am getting a new engine, might as well put these in there. But this right here, of course, I hate it when they put Cheetos in there. This is the oil baffle. Of course, a lot of you guys have that. A much needed mod. A mod that I recommend for anyone with an EJ engine. So there you go. Killer B oil baffle is here. So take a wild guess what's in the other Killer B box. Oh, great, more Cheetos. All right, so there it is. Another product I highly recommend is the Killer B oil pick. I'm not gonna take it out the bag. You guys have seen this, but another highly recommended mod that I suggest to all of you guys that have the EJ257, only because these things are known to break over time. It might not break on you right away. Well, who knows, it might. But the OEM piece is just poorly engineered and Subaru just hasn't done anything about it. Big box. Let's take care of this big box. It's kind of obvious what this is, and I'm going to explain to you why I got this part. I already have a part similar to this, but let me just shut up and get us out the box. So this right here, I got this from, oh, this one is coming from Subi Mods. He hooked it up with the price on this, so excellent pricing. If you're looking for parts on the cheap, check out Subi Mods. I'll put a link to his Instagram down in the description below, but if you want parts cheaper than any other website can get you, I mean, he could probably hook you up with a deal. I don't want to take it all out. No, might as well. So this is the NVIDIA Catless downpipe. So I already have the catted version installed in the car right now, but since we're going external wastegate and we don't have any smog regulations here in the county where I live, we're going catless. This one's pretty heavy. I don't know why. Oh, that's right, I do know why. I know exactly what this is. So this box is coming from, oh, by the way, big thanks to Brian over there at the Mod Garage. He really hooked it up with a fat deal on this. And I told you this in my driving video. I would have been an idiot not to accept this price from him, but yes, I already saved you the trouble. I already cut open the box. So this is coming from Brian Crowder. So these are the valve springs that are, I really don't want to open it up, but I don't know if you can see right there. There you go, valve springs. Why do we have valve springs? You're probably wondering. Oh man, look at that. Check that out. Oh man, damn, this box is heavy. Whew. So here it is. From Brian Crowder. Of course, you got your spec sheet right here. Very important, don't lose this, especially if you're building an engine. So let's take one of these out of the box. Oh, you also give you a nice sticker right there. So, but these are Brian Crowder 272 cams with their titanium springs and retainers. So there it is. Let me just unbox one for you. I really don't want to take this out of the box right now and get these all dirty, but I'm gonna leave this in the plastic. But there you go. Brian Crowder 272 cams. These are going in the car. Hopefully this will make more power than the stock cams. I don't know, we will see. But I know for the engine power that I'm going for, the stock cam is just not going to cut it. So there it is. That's right, as you guys recommended, to get cams. And I'm gonna get cams. I'm gonna install cams. That's damn right I am. So there you go. I'm gonna leave this in the box until installation day. Who knows whenever that is. Okay, so I went ahead and put all the stuff away, and the only thing we're waiting on right now is the actual turbo itself. It must be on Hawaiian time because it's gonna get here when it gets here.
What does Hawaiian time mean? It means we get there when we get there.
So we already have the actual engine itself, the rest of the supporting mods that you saw in this video and in a previous unboxing video. So once we get everything here, the only thing I have to order right now is injectors. We're thinking about 1700 cc injectors, maybe even 2000 cc injectors. I don't know, it depends on what kind of deal I get. So if you guys are interested in some deals, check out some of the links in the description below if you guys want some awesome deals. Support the people that support me. It really means not only a lot to me, but a lot to the small businesses out there. But yeah, I don't know what else I'm gonna put in this video, but we will be going to some events, that is for sure. It's kind of the reason why I'm doing this whole engine build. I just want to have fun with this car and take it out to different places, whether it's, you know, performance events, show events, whatever, you name it. But once all this world stuff is over with, we're going to be out and about taking the show on the road a little bit more than I previously have, obviously, because, you know what, we've been stuck in quarantine this whole time.